Welcome to another one of our information sessions. I am Julian Snape, partner of JNS Paralegal Services. Before we get into it, show us some love now. We're giving you the information that you would have to pay consultation for. Trust me, you or someone you know will need this information. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, do so now. Like and share up the thing, man. Let's jump right into it. Today we're going to do the video version of starting your divorce. This will help you to know what to expect from the beginning to the end of your divorce. You can find the image series on our Facebook and Instagram pages. We will do this in stages, so no need to worry. This is stage 1. There are 4 stages in a divorce with 11 to 13 documents. Yes, a lot of document work. So when you start your divorce, you know to expect there will be a lot of paperwork. First step in the divorce process is the preparation and signing of your petition for the dissolution of marriage. This petition is then submitted to the Supreme Court to start the process. The process cannot begin without making a petition to the Supreme Court of Jamaica. If children, property, custody or maintenance involved, then a supporting affidavit has to be prepared, signed and submitted with the petition. So the petition is the very first document in the process. In order to submit the petition, you have to stamp it at the tax office, then file it at the Supreme Court Matrimonial Registry. Support services like ours and attorneys do this part for you, so you don't have the hassle of all of that up and down. After your petition is filed, then the registrar reviews it. If he or she does not find any error or any adjustments, because sometimes there's no error per se, but they require adjustments to be made to the petition, then if they find none of these, they proceed to sign the notice section of the petition. On the other hand, if he or she, which is the registrar, finds any error or any adjustment, they will request that the necessary corrections or changes be made before he or she signs the notice. Right? So signing the notice will give you the authorization that this petition is okay and now can move on to the next step. Once the registrar is satisfied with the petition and signs off on it, it is now time for the petition to be collected from the Supreme Court. Once the petition is collected, it is now time for the next step, which is service. A lot of persons can't wait to reach to this section. Now, when you get to service, the petition should be served on the respondent, that is your ex or estranged partner spouse. This means that you will have to get someone to serve him or her. Check out our video on who can serve divorce documents so you can know more about who to select. Alright? Once the petition is served, then we have to submit an affidavit of service. An affidavit of service is when the person who served the documents on your ex or estranged spouse signs a sworn statement with details of the service. This affidavit has to be witnessed by a justice of the peace in order for it to be accepted by the court. On submitting the affidavit of service, then we must wait 14 days before submitting any further document to move the process ahead. Once the 14-day passes, That's the time frame the court gives the other party to acknowledge that they have received the petition and that they admit or do not admit to it, right? So they have 14 days in which to respond. If they don't respond, this process still moves ahead. Right? So once the 14 days have passed, then a court search has to be done, and then the application to dispense along with the supporting affidavit and the affidavit of search has to be filed to move the process to the next stage, which is the NISI stage. NISI stage is the stage before the final stage. We will discuss more about the NISI stage and the final stages in another video. Thanks for watching. If you have any question, place them in the comment section below. We'll be happy to address them for you. Take care now, everyone.